Hey everyone, so tonight I'm going to be doing a bit of carpet cleaning. I've been given some kind of upholstery inside of a Mark 1 Golf Cabriolet. It's in a pretty dire state. It's been sat around for quite a while in a damp in a garage. So got some pretty nasty stains, and I'm pretty much going to use all my tools and bits and bobs to get the stains out, so I thought this was quite a good opportunity to go through some of the tools I've got and the process that I use them in, and pretty much the ways you can get rid of stains, because I'm a big believer in you can get rid of any stain with the right amount of time and the right equipment. Okay, so at the moment I've soaked the carpets with a mixture called it's made by a place called Built Hamber. So it's a Built Hamber. It's called Surfex HD. It's a kind of multi-purpose cleaner. And depending on what you dilute to it, depending on its strength, it can be used anything from an alloy wheel cleaner to a carpet cleaner to internal cleaner, like kind of like vinyl, etc., etc. I even use it to clean the outside of the house. It really is very good, very dynamic, and very good value. Because I think 5 litres of it is about 17 quid, and it dilutes down to 1 to 1,000, and at that level it's still pretty good cleaning. So I've just pretty much doused all of the carpets with that mixture, let it soak for a little bit, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to vacuum all the little bits up. So get rid of all of the kind of loose debris so I can kind of see what I'm working with. Some of the tools I've got, just get through it. So I've got my Titan vac. I'll move to the left a bit. My Titan vac, which you can get from Screwfix, and I've got it's got a high powered one. I think it's about 1,400 watts. With it, and I bought a 7 litre extension hose as well because I was finding I was getting tangled up. So got this off Amazon. Really good. It means I don't have to try and drag the vacuum through the car when I'm doing cars. I've got my Bizzle Spot Cleaner Pro, which is the carpet extractor, which I'll be using later on to get rid of the stains. I've got steam cleaner, which is always good. Amazing for those really hard stains which you can't get hold of. Give them a good steam, lifts the dirt off the surface, so you can really get underneath there, and it just pretty much works. It's just a boiler really. Yes, that's really good. Great bit of kit. And probably the most important bit, pretty much the bit of kit that makes the difference between just normal vacuuming and shampooing, is the drill brush. So you can get rid of get these heads off Amazon for about £5 each, and this is just a wireless DeWalt drill, and really good at kind of invigorating, like breaking up all the debris, so you can keep break it up, vacuum up, especially with the high foaming Surface HD. It's really good at getting all those stains out. So pretty much the plan or the process is spray it, let it dwell, mix things up, extract, and vacuum up, see where I'm at, and then just go again and go again. If I hit a stain, I'll use my steamer, and if I want to get a little bit deeper, I've got some really good brushes for Vicon brushes. These are about 7 quid a pop, but they're well worth it. Really good quality. And yeah, I'm going to go from there really. because this car's been sat around, I'm going to be using some kind of respirator to try and stop myself breathing all the nasties in. And I will have a pair of goggles because sometimes it flings everything up, especially when it's wet, with the drill, and a good pair of gloves. Yeah, we'll just see how it goes. Hopefully, I've got some pictures up and you can and see the process. Depending on what I come across, I mean, I don't think this has got much paint, but obviously if it was paint, I'd be using a paint remover, some kind of solvent based. But this is just a good kind of general degreaser and cleaner that I've used, and it's been soaking for a good probably half an hour. So hopefully it's got into all the dirt and I can really mix things up. So yeah, let's see.